Hello everyone, welcome again to Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing course. In this video, we'll continue creating the reciprocating saw inside of the casting. What we did in the previous video was to create the platforms, but now we will use, if you remember, the first inserted canvases in order to create the clearance for the mechanical and electronic parts. So let's start. What I will do is to go in a top view. And as you can see, we use this as reference to position the canvases, but it's not quite correct because I want to use those to curve and to extrude the clearance. So what I will do, I will actually move this until this point. And I will match this with my screw holders here. Perfect, I will click OK. And I will use this canvas in order to calibrate the other ones because I have this part which is the same one. And the last one. Perfect, I will click OK. And now everything is in place. So I will start first by observing this line. And what I will do, first I will sketch, but first I will activate this component and I will start a sketch on this plane. I will press C on the keyboard and I will try to create this circle. I will click Finish Sketch, Circle, Clearance for DC motor, and I will press E on the keyboard and I extrude. So I have the first clearance here. Next, again, I have the same part that needs to be cut off. So what I will do, I will go to the timeline, I will do edit feature, and I will actually go to sides. Click OK. Apparently, everything is a little bit too far. So what I will do, I will show the sketch and I will just move it. So I will select this and I will move it like that. And because I used a sketch, parametric modeling helps me to make the hole at the perfect spot. Perfect. And now what I need to do, if I look closely, here is not anymore another clearance. But what is important to see is that the platforms, I will show here, the platforms needs to go until there. So what can I do in order to modify the length of the platforms? I'll hide a little bit this sketch. Well, I can select this and use extrude, but the margins will go as well. So what I will do is to go to the timeline at the point where I did the platforms. Let's scroll until that point. Okay, and just go to that point. Perfect. And now I will click here, edit feature. And I will select two sides. And I will move this. I will take care of the canvas. So until this point, so 10 millimeters is all right. Good, I will hide again the canvas. And now all the platforms are modified. I will go step by step. The other parts. Apparently it doesn't work anymore. I will delete it. And I will try again. I will click delete here and it works now. Perfect. I don't have any more errors. And I will go to the next step. And I will edit the feature. I will select two sides again. And what I will do is to add here 10. Perfect. I have the perfect size now, and I will go again step by step in order to delete those ones. Okay, this needs to be edited as well. Two sides. Then I'm clicking OK. Next step. I will edit this as well. I will not extrude it even if I can, just because I don't want to create a new operation in the timeline. Next. Edit feature. Two sides. Then I will go again. And this is the last one, edit feature, two sides. Then perfect. And I have all of them right now, the perfect dimension. I will delete this and I will go here to click delete in order to create the smooth surface. I will just go again. This I don't need it anymore. I think was the other one. And now I'm at the end of the timeline. And it was very easy to edit what I've created using the timeline. Well, for now, let's check. So I will go here. So I have all the clearance here and there. The clearance here and also the platforms a little bit smaller and the platforms a little bit smaller. What I will do is to save. And see you to the next video.